question says that an electrostatic field line is a continuous curve. That is, the field line cannot have certain breaks. Why not? So let us first understand a few properties of the electrostatic field lines. The first is field lines start from positive charge and end at the negative charge. That is, the field lines start at positive charge and they will end at negative charge. The origin of the field lines are from the positive charge and they end at negative charge. The second is, in a charge-free space, the electric field lines can be taken to be continuous curve without any breaks. That is, the electric field lines are continuous curves without any breaks in a charge-free space. Now, the question asked that an electrostatic field line is a continuous curve, that is, the field lines cannot have certain breaks. Why not? So, this continuity arises because electric field is a vector field with a defined magnitude and direction at every point in space. That is, there is no any space where we can assume like there was a field line and there is a gap and the field line is continuing like that. So this is not practically or physically possible because charges cannot disappear. The force cannot disappear on a charge over here if a charge particle is over here, and it can't disappear and reappear over here. So a break in the field would imply an indefined or infinite electric field, which is physically impossible. So that is the reason why electric field lines are continuous curves without any breaks. Now the second question said that explain why two field lines never cross each other at any point. Now the third property of field lines says that two field lines can never cross each other. If they do, at the point of intersection there would be ambiguity in the direction, which rejects the concept of field line. We know that each electric field line has a definite direction. Now let us assume that this is a field line and this is another field line. We are assuming that the field line are crossing. Now at this point of intersection, this field line is saying that I have a direction in this way and this field line is saying that I have a direction this way. Now at this point we have got two directions, which is practically impossible. So the field lines can never cross each other at any point.